Hello friends, welcome back to the Crafty Bee channel. Thank you for being here. Hope you're all doing good. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this detailed bow on a dress as you see on the screen. It's a very beautiful big giant bow that gives that beauty and elegant look to your outfit. So if this is what you like to learn, please watch this video till the end. So these are the materials you will be using. So this is the organza that we'll be using for this tutorial. We have different kinds of organza fabric, and this is how this one look. The one for this bow should be a bit harder one. You see how this one is a bit stiff. We have the soft one. We have different types of organza fabric, and we have some tools here. We have our UHU glue. We have some trimmings. I'll choose which one to use for the bow. We have our measuring tape, our tailor's chalk, our kerf roller, our straight ruler, but we are not going to need the kerf roller, our scissors. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, you are welcome. Please hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so not to miss out on my new uploads. If you are a returning subscriber, I say a very big thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, subscribing to my channel, for your comments. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. So without taking much of your time, let's get right into the video. So guys, we need some measurements to take to make this bow detail on our clothes. So I have a measuring tape here with me. You put your measuring tape at the center of the bust like so, and then you measure to where you want the bow to stop, and you should make sure that the bow extends beyond the shoulder line. So let's say 10 inches. 10 times 2 is 20 inches. So the wideness of the bow is going to be 20 inches like so. And then the length you need for the bow is from this chest line to the under bust, and then you times it by 2. So let's go on the table and cut it out. So as you can see, this organza is very light, and it's good to use this transparent light organza, but I'm doubling it. So the width I'm using for this bow is 21 inches together with the sewing allowance. So when unfold is 42 inches. So I have 42 inches for the wideness of the bow. So when folded in half is 21 inches. And the length of the bow is 17 inches. That's 21 by 17 inches. I'm going to trim up the selvage. So I'm marking the length, which is 17 inches. Or let me make it 16 inches for the length. Don't forget, I doubled it. So I'm going to mark 16 inches across. I'm pinning it because it's moving around a lot. So let me just pin it. I'm going to roll a line. I'm going to cut it out. This is it. 21 unfold by 16 inches. So this is for the bow, and I'm going to cut the same size to double it. So basically, I've cut out the 2 pieces. This is double, 1, 2, and then this is also 1. So what I'm going to do next is to pin on the 4 corners like so, and then leave a gap here, about 2 inches gap, to turn it inside out. So I'm done pinning it, as you can see. So I'm taking it to my machine and go and sew the 4 corners, and then leave a gap here, about 2 inches gap, to turn it inside out, and come and show you the next step. So guys, this is how it looks after turning it inside out, and I went ahead and sew the gap with the UHU glue. You drop a little and then glue it down. You can do invisible hemmings, but I prefer using the glue because I don't want any stitch of thread to show outside. So the next thing to do is to fold it in half to find the midpoint. Make sure that you fold it equally and find the middle part. So this is the line. So the next thing to do is to thread your needle with a matching thread. I'm going to run a garter stitch in the middle. So you can use your machine to do this garter stitch as well. So you draw the garters like so. Our bow is coming out nicely. So I'm going to lock the thread on both sides. You don't pack this very small like this. It's a different type of bow together. But the bow on the screen is different way of making it. So you at least open the garters a bit, not to be tight. Put it out. Then I come to this side. So I'll just use the needle to lock this part. And we give nice structure to your outfit, your dress, your top, your skirt, anywhere you want to attach the bow. You see how beautiful our bow is. So now the last thing to do is to attach a trimming on the center of the bow. So I have some trimmings here. I don't know. How do you see this? Wow, this one gives it wow. How do you see this trimming too? So guys, I'm going to attach the trimmings with my UHU glue and come and show you the finishing look. So guys, this is basically it. Our bow is ready and it's looking very beautiful, elegant. See how beautiful it is. Wow, this is the front, this is the back. And you can also embellish it with stones all underneath, any design of your choice. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. So if you don't understand anything, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down the comment section below. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, share my videos, comment, and also subscribe. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.